Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make churros. We'll start by covering the fundamental components of these delicious fried treats. You'll learn about the simple ingredients needed to create the dough and the basic equipment that will help you achieve that classic churro shape. Get ready to dive into the world of homemade churros. Next, let's focus on crafting the perfect churro dough. You'll begin by boiling water with a touch of sugar and salt, creating a flavorful base. Then, quickly stir in the flour until a thick, cohesive dough forms. This step is crucial for the churros' texture. Once slightly cooled, transfer the dough into a piping bag fitted with a star tip, ready for shaping. Now for the exciting part, frying and coating your churros. Heat your cooking oil to precisely 375 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal crispiness. Carefully pipe the dough directly into the hot oil, cutting it to your desired length. Fry them until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color, then remove and drain any excess oil. They're almost ready to enjoy. Finally, it's time to serve and savor your homemade churros. While they're still warm, roll them generously in a delightful cinnamon sugar mixture. These crispy treats are best enjoyed fresh, perhaps with a rich chocolate dipping sauce or dulce de leche. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious churros.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.